The Cheerbo Sublimation template download is the perfect tool for designing your own sublimation strips for Cheerbos. You can use it with Silhouette, Cricut Design Space, and other common vector programs like CorelDRAW, Illustrator, or even Inkscape. You will receive a zip file with your purchase. Once you download and unzip your file, you will see 3 folders. Your Quadbow folder includes the files for making your Cheerbos 4 different styles, 2 for the loop and 2 for the tail if you choose to. The side-by-side template is a little simpler. It allows you to place your graphics and text, but it doesn't separate the loops and tails the way the Quadbow does. You will also receive a README folder, which includes a detailed instructional PDF of everything for using the bow template. It includes specific silhouette instructions, and just really explains how to put your graphics in and use the template. You will also receive an image of the different ways to lay out the quad bow and how your designs are going to show up depending on how you design each strip. So just to show you quickly, in each of the common programs that you might use this with, this is Silhouette Studio. Your screen may look different than mine if you have a different version of Silhouette. But this is what it's going to look like when you open the file in Silhouette. It's going to be one big group of vector pieces. And all you need to do is just click on it and you would go to Object and Ungroup. And that's going to separate everything. And this is where you're going to do your design work. This guide right here shows you everything for where the layout is going to be. And then you can just slide your graphics over onto this working file right here. And when I print them, you obviously don't want to print all this extra image and everything. I just grab this section and then copy and paste it into a new document so that I only print the design that I've created. And this is just a working copy here. And finally, this is how it would look if you used it with Cricut Design Space. Word of caution, this is a little difficult to use with Cricut Design Space. They make lots of updates to their software, which is great, but it can make working with sizing a little bit difficult with the software. So just keep that in mind. Watch your sizes. Make sure that these individual strips, when you click on them, that they're 3.1. When you're designing in Sublimation, you want to make sure it's a little bit wider than your ribbon. So these you want to be 3.1. If you upload this and these are not 3.1, just make sure that you adjust your sizing before you spend too much time designing. So that's some real quick basics on how the design template works. Of course, you received that PDF with much more detailed instructions, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us anytime.